Hey y'all, it's Monday and I'm going grocery shopping today for the week, but instead of purchasing food to meal prep, I am purchasing food for vacation, and I'm going to share with you today how I eat healthy while on vacation by grocery shopping before I actually go on vacation. So today we're shopping at Trader Joe's. This place has so many great already prepared meal prepped items that are perfect for vacations. So I'm going to share with you today what I choose from the grocery store while sticking to my budget and eating healthy on vacation. So let's go. Okay, I've got my grocery bag here. I like the cooler bag because I can keep everything nice and cool while I am traveling home. So let's go into Trader Joe's and see what they have. Okay, instant coffee is a great idea because it actually helps save you money while you are out. Instead of buying coffee every time that you want a coffee drink, you just put some hot water together with instant coffee. But I already have some instant coffee, so I'm not getting that today. So let's go to the produce aisle. Okay, I love bringing water with me, so I'm gonna grab 2 of these for water. This is like pure New Zealand artisan water. Okay, this is new. I've never seen this before, but it's seltzer water with cranberry and lime juice. So I'm gonna get these because I think the kids will enjoy this by the poolside. Okay, here's another good one. It's organic pink lemonade for $3.29. This will be great as well as a nice beverage for the kids. And dried fruit is a really great option because you can get some fruit packed with vitamins and minerals, and it's shelf stable. You don't have to refrigerate it. These are really good. These dried Atufullo mangoes. These are organic for $4.99. Okay, my husband loves these garlic and onion pistachios for $6.99. These are nuts and they're fun to eat. So let's get some of these as a fun snack. Okay, I like these organic tortillas. These are $2.99 and they're vegan, so we're gonna get these to pair with some hummus for quick, easy wraps. Okay, tomatoes are a great snack. These are $2.99 Del Cabo organic tomatoes, so let's get some of these as well. And I am gonna buy a pack of tofu for some extra protein. I can just eat this with some olive oil and salt, so I'm gonna get one of these for $2.49. I like this organic tofu here. Okay, I'm gonna get some organic hummus. These are $2.99. Usually I like to make my own hummus, but I don't have time for that before we leave, so I'm just gonna get 2 of these to go with the hummus wraps and as dips. Okay, and some people in my family like this cheese and salami platter. It's $3.99, and so this will be good as snacks and can be enjoyed as a lunch. Okay, we're gonna do some chips and salsa, so let's get this. This is new mango pineapple pico de gallo salsa. This is packed with fruit and onions and cilantro, and it's $3.99 for a limited time here at Trader Joe's. Okay, these are really good. These avocados number guacamole. It's $4.99 for 2 packs of guacamole. This will be really delicious with chips. Okay, this is $5.49. It's a mango jicama slaw with lime mango vinaigrette. This will be good as a nice salad for some crunchy, hydrating deliciousness. And all of these salads are perfect for lunches, so I'm gonna get some of these so that we don't have to spend money on lunches while we're out. I think I'm gonna get one of these peanut udon because this is vegan. And then I'm also gonna get this chickpea kale salad because this is also vegan. And this is packed with kale, so that's great. Here's another salad. It's $4.49. It's a super spinach salad. This is also vegan, so I'm gonna get one of these. And this turkey sandwich is apple and cheddar for $4.99. I bet my husband will really enjoy this, so I'm gonna get that for him. All right, and then all of these like prepared fruits are perfect for fruit snacks, and you don't have to cut them up, which is why I'm gonna get some of these today. I'm gonna get some mango, fresh cut mango, and grapes. Get some of these green seedless grapes. These are organic for $6.49 for 2 pounds. All right, and then these little mini sweet peppers are $3.99, and they're organic. And I'm gonna get these because you don't have to cut these up. You could just start biting into them, and they're great with hummus. And they're packed with vitamin A and all kinds of vitamins and minerals. And cucumbers are super hydrating. These are $2.99 for organic virgin cucumbers. These are perfect. You don't have to cut these up, and they will go great with hummus and guacamole. Okay, and these are really good. These vanilla almond spice chai. They're $3.49, but these are packed with protein. So I'm gonna get myself 2 of those so I can start my morning with like a protein boost without having to make a smoothie. Okay, and we are celebrating a birthday as well, and so I'm gonna buy 2 of those cakes and some of these sprinkles so I don't have to make a birthday cake because I don't have time. So I'm just gonna get 2 of these cakes. These are $5.99 each, and then a pack of sprinkles is $1.99. So I have a whole birthday cake right here for less than $20. Okay, my husband loves this popcorn, so we're gonna get that. Okay, and then for quick breakfast, these are great. These ABC bars, these are $3.69, and there's 6 bars in here. And I love this soy milk. It's $2.29. I'm gonna get 2 of these. This will go in our coffees and as a beverage for some extra protein. Okay, this is gonna go really well. These golden crackers for $2.99 with that salami and cheese platter. Okay, and that's it. We got everything that we need for this healthy vacation, so let's go check out. Okay, that was fun. Thanks so much for shopping with me at Trader Joe's for my healthy vacation. I'm so excited about a lot of the food that I purchased today. I love all of the salads that I bought that are already pre-made, the chopped up fruit. I got a lot of beverages that are, all of this is gonna save us so much money while we're on vacation, because normally I'll like to go to a restaurant and get a salad, but that's gonna be like $20 these days. So instead of spending $20 per person on lunches, I did get those salad kits. I got some sandwiches. I got some coffee beverages. I got lemonade, sparkling sodas. All of those things end up saving us a lot of money while on vacation. So, oh, and then since we're celebrating a birthday, I got 2 birthday cakes and some sprinkles, so I don't even have to bake a birthday cake, and we can enjoy a delicious, healthy birthday while on vacation. So thanks for shopping with me at Trader Joe's for my vacation grocery haul. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and like this video and subscribe to my channel for more healthy grocery hauls, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.